What's up, guys? It's your boy David C back with another video. Today, guys, we're at a lowrider show. My boys from Ranflitas having their, I believe, 5th annual chill and grill. So today we're pulling up, check out some lowrider cars, eat some food, drink some drinks, have some good times. Let's go, guys.
So Black Production.
something to eat, guys. Gotta check them out next time you see them. Nuestra familia. Ready.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I
Thank
enjoy
you.
it. Appreciate it.
Like I said, y'all come see them. Nuestra familia. Damn it, guys. I'm tearing it up right now. Got some tacos from that food truck. These things are fire, guys. Some rice and beans. Asada. Let's go. Damn it, boy, guys. I had to tear it up. Can't pass up rice, beans, and tacos. One of my favorite foods for sure. Put your rice and beans in your taco. Neta, guys, eso está bueno. These tacos are good, guys. I recommend it. Alright, guys, so this is gonna do it for the video. It was another small car show that we came to show love to my homies from Ranflitas. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Be on the lookout for some new content coming up soon. Later.